Alright guys, and welcome back to a new video here on this channel. Today I want to show you my trade from Friday, and as you can see here I'm logged in into TopStep, and today I made $1.4 thousand on this account here, and also on my second account I made 260. On my third funded account, so all the yellow accounts are funded accounts, I made a small loss, but that's fine for today, and I think today I catched a really nice trade which also represents my model perfectly. So I really want to show you guys what kind of trade I took today. And yeah, that's it. So today I had one trade here. It was a short trade during the London session. So it was the around 3 AM. So that's the London Open. And yeah, I think the first thing we want to do, and that's what I always do, we want to check out the daily buyers. So yeah, how's the daily chart looking? I think, okay, where's the chart? I don't know, it's a bit laggy right now. Okay, here, yeah. So what can we see here? We had the weekly open here, and since then we had a really strong sell-off. And what we can see, this is a Thursday candle, this is Wednesday. So on Wednesday we had a bullish candle. And to be honest, from Wednesday here, I expected continuation on Thursday. So to be honest, I was bullish on Thursday. And yeah, I catched 3 losses, but we still sell down. And so yeah, my expectation was bearish as well for this day, but to be honest, I did not expect to go this deep here. So I just want to say that. But yeah, you can't say more here. Like, yeah. And also on the forward chart, I think there was nothing really to see. I mean, we had the sell down here, but what I was looking for was actually this fair value gap on H4, but you can see we never hit that. So you can just delete that. But yeah, also on the hourly. And I think here was the most important thing. So we had midnight here, and you can see from midnight we just randomly started to pump. And I think I'm just going to mark out midnight. Most of the time I use midnight as premium and resistance, but I also use midnight as accumulation or manipulation zone. So most of the time, if price is going to, or if we have a bearish day, yeah, price goes up straight from midnight, but then dumps and closes below midnight and then dumps lower, and also on the other side. And yeah, when I woke up to the London session, so in Germany it's 9 AM in the morning, and I think we traded around already here. So this was 2 AM here, and what I saw was, wait, I just want to activate my indicators so it's more clear for you guys. So what you can see here, we had Asia high sitting here. So you can see in blue, this is Asia high. And yeah, the high was here. And I think from now on, I'm going to go in the replay mode, because this makes a lot more sense. So you can see my exact perspective. So what we had here, we had Asia high here. And I saw, okay, London was really close trading to Asia high, and I was bearish. So I was saying, okay, I want to see London sweeping this high, and then I want to look for shorts. And also what made it for me even more attractive was, I was like, okay, where can I draw out standard deviation? As you guys know me, I always use standard deviation to predict reversals. And I think most people, and yeah, me too, 2 or 3 months ago, would use this distribution here, because this manipulation leg set the low for this up move. But yeah, as you can see, this was still Thursday, or I mean close after the open. So, and also the manipulation leg is really big. So this is a huge range. You don't really want to take this. So I skipped this. And what I did, I was looking, okay, where's the most recent manipulation leg from Friday, and this was this point here. So what I did was drawing it out from here to this high here. And yeah, you can see the -4 was almost here at this point. So for me, this was really nice. And that's what I want to see. Like, most people ask me, okay, where should I use standard deviation? And also what I really like to do is to look, okay, where is the -4 level in alignment with an old high or low? And yeah, that's what I prefer, to be honest. But yeah, let's continue on the price action. So wait, I just want to see. Okay, just want to activate my PO3 indicators, because these are more important. What we can see here, this is the hourly chart here, and this is the 4-hour chart on the right. Most of the time I only use the 1-hour chart, and yeah, that's it. And what we can see here, we had a really bullish 1 AM candle, so I wasn't that bearish, but let's see how it goes. And now we can see, and that's what I really liked, this is the 2 AM close. We can see 2 AM created already a swing. 2 AM swept the previous high and closed bearish below. But yeah, I'm always waiting for 9 AM because 9 AM is really volatile, and most of the time 9 AM will sweep 8 AM again. And that's what we see here. So here we have our 8 AM high. And that's what we want to see. So I'm always looking for hourly PO3 swings. So yeah, I want 9 AM candle to sweep the 8 AM high or low. And in addition to this, we have here the old Asia high. So you can see, and I was about to short here because this already looked like, okay, I really want to take this. And I just realized, okay, this is 2 AM, sorry. So this is 7 AM. I think I'm going to delete this. I thought we are at 3 AM already, but now you can see 2 AM swept 1 AM high, but I decided to not short this because, like I said, it's just an 8 AM. But now let's continue to 3 AM. And you can see it here. So you can see, 2 AM. I had this down move here, but since then we had sideways action. Now we are going up. So shorting this here would have been really bad. But now let's see. And now what we want to see, 3 AM sweeping the high, and that's what we already had here. But there was no chance to enter, and price decided to go higher all the time. And now we come to my entry. So now we have met my aspects of entry. So at first we swept Asia high and also an old high. We're almost around the -4 area. That's what we want to see at standard deviation. And also we had the 2 AM sweep. So yeah, this is the 2 AM high of the 2 AM candle. You can see this candle here. And yeah, we want to sweep the high, and we are expecting the candle to trade lower. And now we're trying to find an entry here. And yeah, I just want to play this out. And you can see today people will ask me, okay, how did you enter on this? And I have to admit, because there was only this small inversion fair value gap. So normally I'm using inversion fair value gaps or breaker blocks as an entry. But today I just pressed the market sell button. So I had no limit order. Normally I'm trying to enter with limit orders, but I think I was on the 30-second charts. This trade is, by the way, already 7 hours ago, so I can't really remember. I forgot to record this. But yeah, I entered on this down move here. So normally this would have been a trade because I always wait for retests, but today I decided to enter with a market order immediately. And yeah, I still catch a nice trade. I think my entry was a bit more bad, so I did not perfectly enter here. So I think it was around here. And yeah, my target was actually this low here, because it was also in alignment with the daily open. So the daily open is this blue line here. You can see a D and O, and that's just where the daily candle opens up, and that's what I'm using also sometimes for a target. It hurts a bit when I see how deep the price dumped after, but I think that's fine. And you can see I catch the 5R trade. I have to admit I had some losses before, so I tried to short here and here before on sim accounts. But yeah, the real move I catched on my Fanta account was here perfectly. And yeah, that's it. And now we can just see how it sells down. And yeah, that's what we want to see. So you can see previous hourly high swept. We swept Asia high before we hit almost -4. And that's what we receive for, or that's what I want to see for a reversal. And now you can see we hit our TP. And yeah, you can see price dumped a lot lower. You can see this later on the day, but I'm fine with this. Like, I made my money, and I locked my accounts. And yeah, that's it. And yeah, if you have any questions about this, just let me know. Feel free to ask me. And yeah, subscribe. See you next time.